Hello and welcome back to our channel MahaUma's World. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video.
Today, my mom is making what my whole family likes, chocolate muffins.
For that, take a mixing bowl. Place the sieve on top of the bowl. In the sieve, add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup cocoa powder and shift well. After shifting, add 1 teaspoon baking soda and pinch of salt, then 1 cup sugar. Then mix it well all together. After mixing, keep the dry ingredients aside. Meanwhile, heat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. After that, line your cupcake tray with cupcake sheets and keep it aside. Now let's make our wet ingredients ready. For that, take another mixing bowl and add 1 cup plain water. Then add half cup cooking oil and 1 tablespoon instant coffee powder. Here I am using Sunrise coffee powder. In this recipe, coffee powder is optional. Finally, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then whisk it well all together. After that, add the dry ingredients into wet ingredients. Mix it well all together without any lumps. Here I am using electric beater. You can use hand blender as well. Important note, don't overbeat the batter, otherwise the cupcake will be hard and it won't be fluffy. At last, add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Then gently mix it well. Now the batter is ready. We will transfer into cupcake molds using ice cream scoop or any spoon. Fill the molds halfway. In same way, fill all the remaining molds. Now I fill all the muffin molds and it's ready to bake. Keep it inside the oven and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes clean. The chocolate muffins baked well. You can see how fluffy and soft. Let's wait until it cools down completely. Our soft and yummy chocolate muffins are ready. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.